Zuzu Nursery TV! Yay!
A for apple, juicy and red. B for ball, bounce, bounce ahead. C for cat, meow all day. D for dog, let's run and play. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning letters happily. Clap your hands and shout hooray! We learn something new today. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swim along. G for goat, climbing high. H for hat, wave goodbye. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning letters happily. Jump up high and spin around. Letters make a happy sound. I for ice cream, yummy treat. J for juice, so cool and sweet. K for kite, up it flies. L for lion, loud it cries. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning letters happily. Stomp your feet and tap your toes. That's how learning fun grows. M for monkey, swing so free. N for nest, in the tree. O for orange, round and bright. P for parrot, colorful sight. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning letters happily. Clap, 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 1, 2, 3. Come and learn your ABC. Q for queen, shining crown. R for rabbit, hop around. S for sun, big and bright. T for tiger, stripes of might. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning letters happily. Dance and sing, shout with glee. Letters are for you and me. U for umbrella, in the rain. V for violin, sweet refrain. W for whale, splash so tall. X for xylophone, ding dong call. Y for yo-yo, up and down.